In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Hubstaff app. Whether you're managing a remote team or tracking your own time, Hubstaff is a great tool for monitoring productivity and staying organized. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process of downloading the app onto your computer. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. Once you've got that open, head to the search bar and type in Hubstaff Download. Hitting enter will show you several search results, but what you're specifically looking for is the official Hubstaff website. Typically, this appears at or near the top of your search results. Once you locate the official Hubstaff site, click on the link. It should take you directly to a page where you can download the application. Look for a button that says something like Download Hubstaff. It should be prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Clicking on this button will move you one step closer to getting the app up and running on your computer. Next, you'll need to choose the correct version of the Hubstaff desktop client for your operating system. Hubstaff is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, so make sure you select the version that matches the system you're using. This is crucial because downloading the wrong version means the app won't work on your computer. After selecting the appropriate version, go ahead and click the download button. This action will start the download process for the installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the download is complete, you'll need to locate the installer file. Typically, you'll find this file in your computer's Downloads folder. Now, it's time to open the downloaded file to begin the installation. A simple double-click on the installer should do the trick. This will initiate the installation process, guiding you through the necessary steps. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear. You might have to accept terms and conditions or choose an installation location, but that's usually straightforward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully downloaded and installed the Hubstaff app on your computer. You're now ready to explore its features and start tracking your time more effectively. If you need further assistance, remember that the Hubstaff website offers various resources to help you get the most out of their software. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.